In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find all email attachments in Gmail if you've ever spent too long hunting for a file buried in your inbox. This quick method will help you surface every email with an attachment and even narrow it down to the exact file type you need. First, open your Gmail inbox and sign in. Make sure you're actually on the inbox view, not in sent or another label, so your search starts from the most common place your messages arrive. Once you're in, we'll use Gmail's built-in search tools to do the heavy lifting. At the very top of the page, you'll see the search bar. This is more than a simple keyword box. It understands special search operators that filter your email instantly. We'll start with the most useful one for this task. Click into the search bar and type has attachment, then press enter. That's all you need to show every email in your account that contains at least one file. You'll notice the results include messages with the familiar paperclip icon, and many will display small previews of the files right in the list. If you have a lot of email, give it a moment to load everything. If you want to get more specific, you can filter by file type. In the search bar, add file name followed by the extension you're after. For example, type has attachment file name PDF to see only PDF files, has attachment file name doc for Word documents, or has attachment file name XLSX for Excel spreadsheets. Make sure there's no space after the colon, and feel free to swap in the extension you need. This is especially helpful when you remember the kind of file you're looking for but not the exact email it came in. When you find the message you want,